Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When it's hot outside, we want light meals, nothing too heavy. Besides salads and sandwiches, I like to make soups. Of course, not hot, but cold ones. I have several recipes like vichyssoise, gazpacho, like my husband says, avocado, and many others. Now, let's add another delicious one to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of Tarator Soup. This is so refreshing. Made with yogurt, cucumber, garlic, onion, and other great ingredients, this is a fabulous soup to have during the hot summer months. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here's an English cucumber, and a good sized one. But field cucumbers are also a good choice. Either one. So after peeling the skin off, we'll chop it finely so we end up with small pieces like this. See? Not much bigger. Alright. Next, we'll add plain Greek yogurt to the jar of a blender, as well as vegetable broth and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll also add fresh dill, smells so good, some pressed garlic, and a little bit of chopped red onions. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll cover but remove the cap and process on medium-low speed at first, then increase to medium. About 30 seconds later, we'll slowly emulsify the walnut oil by adding it in a small steady stream. Remember to not rush it and go slow. That way the liquid in the jar of the blender and the oil won't separate and blend together. Okay? We'll repeat doing the same, but this time with the grapeseed oil. We'll let it run for a couple minutes. Now, like I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. I might need more salt or pepper. The salt was fine for mine, but it needed a little more pepper. Of course, if we add something, we'll have to process again on medium-low speed before increasing to medium. Next step is to add our chopped cucumbers to a large bowl and then pour the yogurt mixture over the veggies. We'll stir the ingredients well, cover, and transfer to the fridge overnight. We want this soup to be very cold. When ready to serve, we'll garnish the soup with chopped toasted walnuts and fresh dill. For the finishing touch, we'll add a few drops of walnut oil. And my friends, this is our Tarator soup. My version is slightly different from the traditional one, but nonetheless, it's absolutely delicious. It's a light and refreshing soup, great to enjoy during the hot summer months. Easy to make. This recipe has to be on your to-do list. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!